Hi, I'm back here with my friend Joanna. We're going to be cooking with some essential oils again today. We're so excited to be with you. My name is Lynn. I love to help families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. And today we're going to encompass all three of those with something really yummy. Okay, liquid ingredients. Tell them how much we got of this.
3/4 a cup of maple syrup.
Okay, and this is the pure maple syrup. Do you like this stuff?
We use it all the time too.
Why do you like it so much?
Well, I stay away from sugar, so we use it for our pancakes in the morning, and yeah.
So pure and natural, that's the way to go, huh, Joe?
Yep.
Okay, and then after we put in 3/4 cups of maple syrup, then we have the Madagascar Vanilla. And so we're gonna just touch 10 drops of
I
that.
want to see you count this.
1.5 teaspoons of water, right?
Yep.
And a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. And this is
Teaspoon.
Oh, 1/4 teaspoon.
Okay.
Thanks for getting it straight for me. And this is
a tablespoon would be very strong salt. Yeah, this is kosher salt. So
all right. So now are we going to go on?
So
to
this
the
you just
nuts?
sit, yes,
Yep,
and
this
then
is
you
just it.
then you take the nuts, and we're gonna do it on the stove because we are. And this way, you just stick them into the pan, and then you have to keep stirring it. So keep stirring the pecans. And it says for about 3 to 4 minutes you put on the recipe, right? And you have to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. And then what I always do, I mean, as soon as you smell the fragrance, then you need to take it off. Look, it's starting to. Can you smell it yet? It's starting to get really. You can tell the nuts are
Oh, I
starting to
can
get hot.
smell
Can you
it now. So it's been over
Oh,
3.
yeah.
It's been over 4 minutes now,
Yeah.
right?
So let's
and we're
turn it
starting
off.
to smell
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, they smell super yummy. Okay, yeah, let's pour that on, and then we
Okay.
just mix it. Yeah, I turned off the oven, the stove. Sorry. Ooh.
Okay, so now that the pecans are thoroughly coated, we've roasted them, we've poured it on. Now what do we do? Parchment paper?
Parchment paper, yes.
Sounds
And
great.
so then you just stick them on here and put them in the fridge, and then we'll show you what we're going to do next. So you put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then to let them cool, so however long that is, and then you stick them, you put them on your salad. This is just a lettuce with carrots. You just put them on, and they're nice and sticky, and then they will taste delicious. Like, don't these look delicious? Let's put a little pomegranate and some raspberries on it to make it just a little prettier.
Yum.
I know. I think that's gonna. I love fruit on my salad. Do you like fruit on your salad?
Love it.
Yeah.
And you know what else I love on salads? I'm actually really obsessive about this. I like the little bit of crunch.
Yes.
That's why nuts are the perfect addition
And
to this.
the pomegranate seeds also add a delicious crunch. Should we try it?
Yeah.
It looks amazing, I have to say. And I sneaked one of the
nuts already,
and it was so good.
Good.
This is so good. Isn't that yummy?
Roasted and sweet mapley. Yum. This is a hit.
It's so yummy. I love those pecans.
I want to put them on everything.